Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMax large door contact. The MCT-302. You will need one CR2 battery per device and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Use the Phillips screwdriver to loosen the retaining screw and the lid will come off hinging from the top. Be careful as to not lose the screw. After removing the cover from the sensor, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. Simply pull the old battery out from the clips. Then you can insert a new battery, positioning the positive and negative ends of the battery properly during replacement. The front cover is then put back by first hooking the top and then hinging it down. Ensure that it is aligned correctly and you can see the small LED light. Then tighten the retaining screw. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. If not, reopen the cover and make sure the LED is correctly aligned. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.